I just purchased the Admiral 12-inch miter saw from Harbor Freight. And I go to actuate the head here. And the blade is so off center from the slot on the kerf board, it actually hits. What I'm going to try to do is flip the kerf board because I see it's the hole's offset in the board. You're about 740 on that side. And only about 580 on that side. So I'm gonna, and it looks like the screws are all symmetrical. So I'm gonna try flipping it and see what happens. So I took out the screws and it looks like it just pops right out. And slides right back in. And that looks basically perfectly centered, maybe off center a hair, but it was probably misassembled.